Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a new dress in the Bershka app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Bershka app. Go to your profile on the bottom right corner. Tap on the personal details and addresses. And you have to tap on this last one, add another address. You give your name here, then you tap your address, your floor and number. You have to add your city, the zip code, and your phone number if you would like to. Then tap on the top right corner on the save. And that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.